good afternoon everyone. Since you know we are going to conduct already our research, so the permission is already been approved by the supervisor. So tomorrow we will be conducting our research on our research site at Dumaguete City National High School. Okay, then we will be conducting that one for tomorrow and the next day. So we'll be having two days observation. And EJ, you will be the one to be the participant observer. So you will be the one during the observation. You will be part of the class, okay? Then me and Miss Erica will be the non-participant observer. Okay, so please take note also of those information that you have observed during the discussion within the class. Okay? As well as for me and Miss Erica, we will be also having some taking down notes on the observations that we have also observed during the class. And also, how about the recording? So, is it already tested? Is it fine?
I already tested it many times. There are no errors, so the recording will be good.
Okay, very
I
good.
also have a recording.
Okay. And the protocol, please?
I already have the observation protocol check. Yes, it's good.
Okay, that's good. Very good. Don't forget to bring it tomorrow and for the other next day. And also, the notes, don't forget, please be detailed about the notes of your observation and be true to what we have really observed, of course. We are relying on what will be the result. It depends on our observation. Okay? So, and of course, after our observation, we should be thankful to the participants, the sites, of course. So we will be asking, we'll be thanking them after the second day of our observation. So is that nice? So is that okay?
Yes.
So tomorrow, don't be late. Be early, 15 minutes before the time. We should be there for us not to disturb the other classes, of course. And don't forget, we will be passing at the back door during the observation for us not to attract the attention of the students and not to disturb them during the discussion. Okay? Is that good? Okay, that's very good. So that will be all. Don't forget, be early and prepare yourselves for tomorrow. Thank you.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Please sit down. So, we have already, do you remember that we have already discussed the subject-centered design of the curriculum designing? So now, we are going to talk about the learner-centered design. So, here, while in the subject learning design, we are going to focus on the content. Here in the learner-centered design, we are going to focus on the children. It is with the development of the children, the well-being of the children, and to make our children live at best. So here in learner-centered design, we have 3 subtopics. So we have children-centered design, experience-centered design, and humanistic design. So for our activity for today, in order for you to grasp the knowledge of these designs, I want you to have a close reading activity. So I'm going to assign to you the 3 different topics. So Ms. Natasha, I want you to read child-centered design. Then Ms. Isoler, I want you to read experience-centered design. And for you, Mr. Susana, I want you to read humanistic design. After 5 minutes, I will come back and ask for your insights about our thing that I want you to read. Okay? Is that right with you? Okay. Okay. also in the afternoon. I will give you 20 minutes to tell to each other on what you have learned with the different designs that was assigned to you. Is that okay with you? So I want you to work collaboratively and to let each other understand different concepts of learners and the design. Okay? Guys, I'm sorry. I took my time in the office, so our time is almost done, and I don't think that we can still recite what we have discussed today. So I want you guys to make a reflection paper about what we have discussed today, and pass it to me 5 p.m. on my office. Is that okay with you? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so let's please see you tomorrow. Emily. Bye, ma'am. Okay, guys. Good morning, class. Morning, ma'am. Sit down. So, I remember that you had a reflection or sharing yesterday. So, I want a person or a volunteer that will share their insights from your discussion yesterday. Who wants to volunteer? Yes, Miss Mataho.
So we have discussed in our group as well as me, ma'am, the subject-centered design, which has 4. Kasi kung gano'n yung learner,
Yes, center design.
okay, so so we discussed about the learner-centered design. So we have here the child-centered design, the experience-centered design, the humanistic design. So in learner-centered design, the learner is the center of the educational process. So it shapes the focus from the content to the needs and experiences of students. So we have gathered here that the curriculum design emphasizes on the development of self as the ultimate objective of learning. So it stresses the development of positive self-concept and interpersonal skills. So basically, learner-centered design is the learner is the center.
Very good, Miss Patao. I'm so sorry. I was looking at Mr. Susana. I can see that you really did have a good job in sharing your thoughts and information towards the different topics that I have gave up to you. So now, let's acknowledge our observers at the back. Please stand up and for you to be acknowledged. Hi, come here in front. I'm sorry.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, in behalf of our group, so we would like to extend our deepest gratitude on you for participating and conducting our study, of course, and for you also, ma'am. Thank you for allowing us to conduct our observation in your class. So, don't you worry, but because what we have observed will be held confidential, of course. We will not be sharing it to others, of course, then. Thank you so much. We really do appreciate your time and effort during this observation. So thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Don't worry, guys. Their observation will remain, our information will remain anonymous. So we will not be talked about with other people because they don't know who we are, and they should keep our private information private so that if someone know, don't worry, we will sue them. Okay? So our discussion is end. See you tomorrow. And please read in advance so that you will have a quiz or a surprise day tomorrow. So you're all dismissed. Thank you. Bye.
Bye now. Bye guys.
So, good afternoon everyone. So, how are you? Are you good? Yeah. The house observation yesterday.
It's a great successful.
Yeah, it's so successful. So thank you so much for your cooperation. So, for today, we will be sharing what we have observed, of course, during the observation for us to have more knowledge and for us to be successful in this research that we have. So, let's start with you, Mr. Sana, EJ, because since you are part of the participants, you're a participant observer, so what have you observed
So
as
I
a
observe
participant?
as a participant of the discussion, the students are really cooperative when it comes to activities. But sometimes I see something that makes me realize that something very negative is happening in that discussion. I saw someone using a phone while, like, it's not using the phone while doing the activity, but doing something. Yeah. I cannot say it's Facebook, but
Something not related
not
to education. Okay.
Yes, I also saw that, especially one of the students are very creative and very active.
Yeah, I
The
really
one-
can really see that one.
The ones beside me,
Oh, yeah.
I noticed that. That's the only observation I saw, and
Also, as for me, we are as observer at the back, so that as the teachers come in, so some students are not attentive enough to greet during the teacher's greeting, of course, because some of them have this delay in standing, delay in greeting. But as for the teacher has a well-motivated voice. I can really see the dedication of the teacher, and also for the students, I can see their dedication during the discussion. Though there are some lapses within them, but still, they really did a great job during their classes. So, for me, my observation is really good. They are really good.
As for me, my observation concludes that the students really learn a lot when they collaborate with other students. And for the discussion, they were able to think as their own because the teacher assigned the lessons. So it's really a good strategy for the teacher to do that. And I see that the students are really not just collaborating, but they were also able to use their mind to do reflective thinking and to digest the learning and also to relate it to the real life situation. So that's as for my observation.
Okay, so that will be all for our observation. So I will be asking for your detailed notes. So forget,
Yeah.
I asked you last time before we had observation to make a detailed note of your observation. So I'll be getting that one before 5 p.m. today. So please do pass it to me so that we can already have the conclusion of our observation. So that will be fine for you?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you everyone.
Thank you.